Action Jackson. Today is it's gonna be a quick 2 minute, 3 minute video or audio recording of how to make money. And I'm offering a service here. This is a service that is completely optional for those who want to make money and know how to sell sneakers already. And if you don't know how, I mean, it's pretty easy. Just make a Kixify account or an eBay account. Go and flip the shoes, basically. But my service is about Alibaba and the platforms AliExpress and Taobao, and this is regarding sneakers only. I'm not providing any other service besides sneakers because that is what I'm most knowledgeable about. That is my brain. So basically, you're paying, if you were to choose to buy this service, which is going to be about it's about $25 to $30 a month. You're buying information and you're trying to flip it. So basically, you can make your money back in one sale. That's how easy it is. And it is via PayPal, the payment. And the service goes like this. I provide you 4 to 5 links a week. The service is good for 1 month. And every link that I provide has a chance to make money. Either the profit is about around $40 to $100 a sneaker. These are only 100% authentic sneakers. These are not anything else besides that. Period. And if you were looking for that other stuff, this is not the channel. And if you know anything about Alibaba, they cleaned up their act, so they don't sell that type of stuff anymore. Period. Because they were on the banned list of USA Trade because of that. So they had to clean their act up. For those who do not know, that are uneducated. So basically, again, like I said, 4 to 5 links a week. I send it to you via email. So that's about 15-20 links per month possibly. And you can make that money back, the service fee I charge, in one sale. It is around $25 to $30 a month, my service fee, and the payment is done via PayPal. PayPal only. It will not take any other payment. And you're basically buying information, and you are turning it into a profit. That is what you are purchasing. My feedback on Alibaba, AliExpress, Taobao speaks for itself on here. And I will provide a service agent as well, so you can, when you buy the product, you use them, and they will ship it to you via EMS or DHL or whatever service you choose to. Depends how cheap you want to be on the shipping. And you get the product, and you flip it, and you make your money back right away. And it's pretty much that simple. I thought I'd share this information. It's going to be probably limited time. I'm not going to be running this full time, so I choose not to. And that is pretty much that. So if you are interested, you can email me for details. And I only want 100% legitimate buyers / people really interested. I don't want any flakers. I don't want any people that are just, not serious. I want serious people only. And that is that. So thank you for listening. If you were interested, all the information will be in the description or on this audio recording. Thanks.